Hello everyone. In our lesson today, we are asked to find the size of the lettered angle. And if you watch from the diagram we have here, the lettered angles we have are angle U, angle V, angle T, and angle S. So here we can decide to find angle S first using the sum of angles on a straight line. If you watch, angle S and angle 74 are on a straight line. So finding angle S, we can decide to use the sum of angle on a straight line. That is equating the addition of angle 74 and angle S to equals to 180. Or we can decide to find angle U and angle V first. Finding angle V and angle U, we can use the base of an isosceles triangle. If you watch here, we have two lines here, which indicates that the triangle is an isosceles triangle. That means the two sides are equal. Since the two sides are equal, it automatically means that the two base angles are equal. And the two base angles there are angle U and angle V. So what it means that is angle V and angle U are equal. So in finding them, we can say that, okay, let's angle V and angle U be equals to S. So adding angle V to angle U will give us 2S. Okay, so once we got it, we can use the sum of angles in a triangle, which is 180. To find it, we can add 2s to 74, equate it to 180. Whatever we get, we will divide it into 2 to give us the individual angles. Okay, so let's start. Let's find our angle S first. In finding angle S, we will use the sum of angles on a straight line. That is 74, add it to S and equate it to 180. Because the total sum of angles on a straight line is equals to 180. So here we can say X equals to 180 minus 74. Because once a positive sign passes equality sign, it becomes negative. So 74 past equality sign to go and meet 180, it will become minus 74. So and 180 minus 74 is going to give us 106 degrees. So the value of our angle S is equals to 106 degrees. So let's move in to find our angle U and our angle V. Like I said earlier, the two base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. That means whatever value we get for angle V is going to be the same value for angle U. So we can say let U plus V be equals to 2A. That's the two base angles are equal, they are equal. Now you can say 2A, add it to 74 and equate it to 180. We are equating it to 180 because the total sum of angles in a triangle is equals to 180. That is why we are equating it to 180. So now we are going to collect like terms, the ones that look alike. Okay, if we have 180 and we have 74, then the other one we have 2A. So the ones that are looking alike is 180 and 74. So we're going to say 2a equals to 180. Then 74 is going to pass to meet 180. And once it passes equality sign, it will become negative. That's minus 74. So we're going to have 2a equals to 106. Now, we are looking for a and not 2a. So in order to find the value of our a, we are to divide both sides by 2 for a to stand on its own, because what we're looking for is a and not 2a. So dividing both sides by 2, we are going to have 106 divided by 2, which will give us 53. So the value of a is 53 degrees. Recall that our u is equals to a. Likewise, our v is equals to a. That means our v is equals to our u and also equals to 53. So the value of our u is equals to 53 and the value of our v is equals to 53. Okay, so let's move in to finding our last angle, which is angle T. In finding our T, if you watch, we have angle T, S, and 29. Okay, so we are going to use the sum of angles in a triangle. And inside the triangle, we have angle T, angle S, and angle 29. Recall, we have gotten the value of our angle S as 106. Okay, so we are going to sum up all the angles and equate them to 180. All right, so in summing them up, we are going to have angle T plus 106, that is our angle S, plus 29 equals to 180. So we're going to have T plus 135 equals to 180. So here we're going to collect like terms, the ones that are looking alike. So we're going to have T equals to 180 minus 135, which is going to give us angle T equals to 45 degrees. So we have gotten our angle T as 45. Okay, if you have any question, you can comment it and also share, subscribe if you have not done. Thank you.